Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the place where we explore smart, powerful tech that makes everyday life cleaner, faster, and easier. Today's review is for pet owners, multitaskers, and anyone who's tired of constantly unclogging vacuum rollers. Meet the Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Lift-Away ZU503AMZ. This machine takes Shark's trusted cleaning power and adds self-cleaning, versatility, and real convenience in one sleek design. Let's start with what makes it special, the self-cleaning brushroll. This feature is a total game changer. It actively removes pet hair and long strands while you vacuum, preventing the usual tangles that reduce suction over time. That means no more cutting out hair from the roller or losing cleaning power halfway through. Next, the lift-away technology, one of Shark's best innovations. With just the press of a button, you can detach the canister and transform it into a portable vacuum. It's perfect for stairs, upholstery, or reaching high corners that a traditional upright can't handle. The HEPA filter and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal system are another highlight. Together, they trap 99.9% of dust, dander, and allergens, making it an ideal choice for homes with pets, asthma, or allergies. You'll immediately notice the air feels fresher after a full clean. For usability, it includes swivel steering for smooth maneuvering around furniture and powerful suction for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. It comes with two handy tools, the Upholstery tool for furniture and curtains, and the pet Crevice tool, which digs out embedded fur from tight spots like couch edges or car seats. Despite its power, it's lightweight and easy to store. The teal finish gives it a fresh, modern look, while the XL dust cup means fewer trips to the trash between cleaning sessions. If you're looking for a high-performance, pet-friendly vacuum that's versatile enough for every corner of your home, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away ZU503AMZ is built for you. So if you want spotless floors, tangle-free brushes, and fresher air in one device, check it out on Amazon below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily reviews that make cleaning and living smarter.